Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause I love you. Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Dukumo, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do this cute and easy hairstyle. I did this on an old twist out, and I just love wearing my hair like this. It's so easy, it's so quick, and it's very cute just to get you till wash day, you know, when you're stretching it a bit. But let's get into the video. Yeah, don't judge it. We've all been here. Anyways, this is what I'm going to do. As you can see, my old twist out was really old, but I needed a few days to push it. But these are the tools that you will need to do this hairstyle on your hair. I start by going with my bottle of water just to saturate my hair and hydrate it, and then I will scrunch my hair up to make sure that the water gets properly into my hair strands. I also advise doing this with warm water, not too cold, because I believe that warm water gives your hair this nice feeling, and if needed I go in with more water to hydrate my hair. And then I will go in with my choice of hair butter. You can use a leave-in conditioner or your choice of styler, and then I just apply it to the length of my hair just to bring back moisture into my hair, because my hair has been dry. I am aware that I need to wash my hair, but you know those days when you can't do your full wash day, so you just need a quick hairstyle to make things happen, you know. And then I will go in and part my hair according to the style that I want to do at the front. I will be doing some flat twists, and I always work in sections. When I section out that part where I'm going to flat twist the back of my hair, I put it away so I can solely focus on the front of my hair. I do this to both sides of my hair, and then I will go in with a bit more water in case it's needed. And then after doing that, I'll also apply my hair butter as well, or a leave-in conditioner if you may, and then detangle my hair. Because let me tell you something, one thing that a lot of people don't talk about is that if your hair is not properly detangled before you flat twist, cornrow it, or braid it, you will break your hair. And that's a fact. You will break your hair just because you wanted to do some flat twists. No, I tried to avoid a breakage as much as possible. So after I detangle that section, I go in and do the same to the next section of my hair, and then I will go in and part my lines according to how I want my flat twists to lay.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
So initially I had planned on putting my hair in a bun at the back. However, once I got here, I decided to actually do a chunky twist out. You can still do a bun if you want to, or you can still leave your hair in this old twist out look, which is also cute, but I wanted a more defined look and a more stretched out look, so I decided to do some chunky twists at the back that I will take down once I'm ready to wear the hairstyle out. I just make sure that I detangle using my hair butter as well, and then just twist up my hair. It's easy. I didn't go for perfection because I just wanted a chunky look. I wasn't going for definition. I was just looking for volume and just a bit more elongated in the length of my hair. One thing about me, I believe in a twist out. So if you don't really know how to get your twist out perfect every single time, I do have a video up on my channel where I show you guys how I get the perfect twist out every single time I do one on my hair. So I just twist up my hair, make sure that as you get to the ends you detangle, and then I will leave this overnight so that it dries. I would suggest that it fully dries before you take it down, because otherwise your twist out would come out well. So the next morning I came back to take down the twists, and I start by actually laying my edges, and I've been using the yellow got to be to lay my edges. I like it. The only problem I have with it is that it leaves a white cast, so I just don't like that about it, but it does hold my edges the whole day. So I just spray my edge brush with some water and then apply the edge gel to my edges and shape my edges however I want to. I don't know how to do extravagant and nice swoop-de-doos. I just do what works for me, and then I will just apply the got to be again after I lay them down to make sure they are extra secured, and then I'll go in with some water again to try and eliminate the white cast as much as I can. And then in order to take down the twists, I go in with my hair oil and apply it to my hands, so I eliminate a lot of frizz. I just want enough, not too much, and then I just take down my twists, and that's pretty much it. After all the twists are down, I will take the flat twists and pin them to the back of my hair, almost creating like a headband effect of the hairstyle. Do you get what I mean? Yeah. And then I just go in with my hair pick and pick my hair as much as I can, as much as I want. I love hair with volume, and this is what exactly I was going for. And as you can see here, it was a middle part because of how I twisted, so I just decided to actually take it to the side so that it matches, and I tried to pick it towards the direction but it couldn't, so I just went with another pin just to make it stay in place and continue to fluff my hair. And that is all that I do to get this cute hairstyle. This is such a cute hairstyle to do when you have no idea how to style your hair. And I know that a lot of people just like to put their hair up in a bun, but sometimes it's just so nice to just get a cute hairstyle in, you know. And this is one of those, and it's pretty easy to make. You don't have to do flat twists. You can also cornrow if you can't flat twist. And yeah, I really enjoy the style, and I hope that you also try it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.